Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to disable Google personalized ads on iPhone devices. So all you need to do is just click into the Google Chrome app or Google app. Click the Chrome app, click the top right of your screen as you will see the icon, your profile picture, then click the Hard Reset, then click Manage your Google account. Click to Data and Privacy, scroll down a bit, and as you will see in my Ad Center, Personalized Ads on Google, click that, and then click Turn Off. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.